father name?
My father name is Suresh.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Shashi.
What is your village name?
My village name is Gundali.
What is your school name?
Greenvalley.
Which class are you?
LKG.
How old are you?
1 years old.
What is your class teacher name?
Rohimam.
How many days in a week?
7 days.
How many months in a year?
12 months.
How many days in a year?
365 days.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national tree?
Banana tree.
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Which is our country?
India.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Which is our district?
Bangalore.
Which is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Sidramaya.
Who is the Education Minister of Karnataka?
Madhu Bankarappa.
How many letters are there in alphabets?
26.
How many planets are there in our solar system?
8 planets.
Which is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Which planet is nearest to the Earth?
Venus.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Who is the first president of
Dr.
India?
Rajendra Prasad.
Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
How many states are there in India?
29.
Which is the largest state of India?
Rajasthan.
Which is the smallest state of India?
Goa.
Which is the population state?
UP.
How many colors are there in Indian national flag?
3 colors.
When do we celebrate our Independence Day?
15th August.
We got solar energy from?
Sun.
Which animal is the largest on earth?
Blue whale.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
Which is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Which is our national river of India?
Ganga.
Which organ purify our blood?
Kidney.
Who invented radio?
Marconi.
Which is our national game?
Hockey.
Who invented the bulb?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Who invented electricity in the world?
Jimmy Franklin.
What is your national song?
Vande Mataram.
National currency?
Rupees.
Who was written Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
How many bones are there in human body?
206.
How many letters are there in Varnamale?
49.
Which is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Which is our national aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
Which is our Indian national flag?
Tilanga.
How many sides are there in a triangle?
3 sides.
In which direction does the sun rises?
East.
How many vowels are there?
5.
How many colors are there in our rainbow?
7 colors.
Largest island in the world? Green.
Greenland.
Which boat cannot fly?
Ostrich.
Which fruit gives us oil?
Coconut.
Which is the third highest civil award in India?
Padma Bhushan.
Good.